Plié is one of the most important exercises in the ballet because it prepares you for all type of movements, pirouettes, jumps, and many others. So let's count how many demi-pliés I will do only in one combination. So, the way how you do plié, it's the way how you will dance ballet. The most important in plié is to stay straight or to shift your weight a little bit to the front, depends on your anatomical structure. And to control it, you need to control your turn out. Remember, never screw your feet into any ballet position. Turn out depends on your anatomical structure and only then muscle development. So, to avoid over turn out, I will suggest you to open your feet through the heels and definitely to avoid screwing your legs before any exercises. So, you open the legs through the heels and trying to keep a perfect vertical position to the floor. Secondly, your feet should stay connected to the floor. The whole foot should stay fully connected to the floor. And only the knees go as far as possible to the side, without any support or compensation. Arms. Port de bras in plié exercises at the beginning might seem a little bit confusing, because we divided the full port de bras for 2 demi-pliés. Although in the next exercises we do full port de bras in one single demi-plié. So, why do we divide the full port de bras in plié exercises in 2 parts? Because otherwise we will just wave our arms all the time. To use our arms correctly, everything goes down and everything goes up. Then the arm stays, and then when you stretch your knees, you open your arms together. And my last recommendation about plié exercises is to avoid grand plié in 4th position, because it's the useless movement in ballet. You won't find this position in any variation or classical choreography, so this movement exists only in exercises itself. Secondly, this position can easily overload knees for amateur and beginners. I highly recommend to avoid this movement. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video, learned ballet correctly. Bye!
И вот так вот ты будешь ходить.